Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. For today's video, I will be making Java plum juice. This fruit has so many different names and so many benefits. If you haven't checked out my previous video, then please go ahead and do so. If you are new to the channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for returning, and I hope you will learn something new. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. You will need just a few ingredients for this recipe, and remember, you can always put your own ingredients and add your touch to this. For this tutorial, I am using Java plum, sugar, ginger, and lime. The first thing you want to do is wash the ingredients that need to be washed properly and chop them into sizes of your choice. Next, I am going to blend the ginger and set this aside. This recipe can be done in so many different ways, so be sure to choose the method that works for you. The method that I use for this tutorial is boiling and squeezing. It is easier to squeeze them before you add the boiling water, so if that method works for you, then please do so. For this tutorial, I added the boiling water and then I squeezed the fruits. Once you have seen that beautiful color change, you can strain this off, squeeze your lime in, and then use your sugar to mix this. forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!